Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today what I want to show you guys is if you get a tool from a tooling manufacturer and they give you the full model, how to bring that model into SolidCAM very easily as a shape tool. So you'll see right here, I'm just using a custom form tool that was drawn up right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to the sketch and we can see the 2D portion of the sketch. So I get things kind of rotated around here, and you guys can see the outline of the 2D. That is exactly what I'm looking for. So if I just come over here, highlight that, and hit Control-C on your keyboard, so that will copy everything. Now what we're going to do is go to our Tools, SolidCAM, Tool Library, and we'll go to our Shape Tools, and we'll add in a new tool here. And what I'm going to do here is I don't want to rebuild everything that they did. I don't want to have to redraw everything that they did. So what I'm going to do is click the Import button right here, and it's going to open up with this screen right here. So easy enough, what I can do is I can just right-click on this sketch and do Edit Sketch, and I can just hit Control-V, and my sketch shows up from that 2D sketch shows up from that shape tool that the tool vendor sent me. So now what I can do is just hit the Rebuild. So it's grayed out for us. And now I can do a define chain. And always start at the tip and work your way around. So we'll go there, here, chain this going all the way around. There we go. We'll do finish. And now you will see that we have brought that shape tool in there exactly how we want it. So I just want to kind of show you guys the easy way of bringing that in from the tooling manufacturer, if they sent you the CAD file, how to easily bring that right into SolidCAM for you guys. So that's the tip of the day for you guys today, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow with your tip of the day. Thanks guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.